In the next exercise, I want to teach you how to create a golden effect or a metal effect in your object. So, look at my butterfly. It's very cute. I want to create it to a golden butterfly or a metal butterfly. So, my butterfly is white and I have to choose my butterfly wings. So, I'm going to quick selection tool, then I'm select my wings. This, and this. So, remember, your selections must be separate to your background. Now I selected my wings, then I have to separate it from background. Then I press Ctrl plus C to copy it, then Ctrl plus V to paste it. Look at this. My wings in layer 1. I turn off my background layer and you can my wings. So I'm turn on my background, but my layer 1 is active. Okay, I'm going to layer style, or I'm double click in my layer number 1. Then I put it beside. First, I'm going to color overlay. As you see, our previous actions remains in Photoshop memory. So, my blend mode is multiply, my opacity is 45, and my color is yellow. Why? Because gold is yellow. So, it's okay. Then I'm going to drop shadow and click it. My blend mode is normal and is black. My opacity is 100. And I can change my angle to 120. Then you can change your distance as you want. But mine distance is 6. But it's better to act according to the formula I told you. Okay, I can change it. I think 10 is okay. My spread is O, but you can change it. I think 4 is good. And size, not very much. The 10 is okay. My contour is linear and I don't have any noise. Then I'm going to brave and emboss. Look at this. My style is inner reveal and my technique is chisel hard. So you can change your depth as you want. I think good. You can change your direction up or down. It's depending on your text. So my size (100) in my size is okay, and soften. It's the most important part in your action. Look. Very nice. Actually, increasing soften is not good. I want to decreasing. Very nice. I think it's 3D. So my angle is 120 and 60. Or 30. It's depending on your taste. And last contour will be ring double. It's okay. And your highlight mode and your shadow mode is important. I'm choosing. It's good. It's a nice yellow, and it should be dark yellow, and it should be a dark yellow. It's good, a dark yellow. Okay, and we remember these opacities. After that, I'm going to gradient overlay, and I use my gradient. You can decrease your opacity as you want, or you can change your yellow. I double click on gradient editor and I change my yellows. Here it should be a dark yellow, and there should be a light yellow. Okay, I'm clicking OK, and I'm clicking OK in my layer style. Very nice, and I love it. But if I want to create a metal effect in there, and there, I can create a new layer style and create a metal effect on those. Okay, first I'm going to quick selection tool and choose there and choose there and there. I'm activating my background layer. Then I choose there and there. Okay, as you remember, we should be separate my selections to selections from background. Then by press Ctrl plus C, and after that Ctrl plus V in my keyboard, we create a new layer with my selection. Okay, my layer number 2 is active. Then I double click on it. I'm putting inside. Now I have to tell you where the difference between golden and metallic effects are. Yes, it's in the choice of colors. Be careful. First, I'm going to color overlay. If you remember, my color is yellow, but now I want to create a metallic effect, not golden effect. So I should be change my color. I click it and I change my color to a gray. To a gray color. So your code is FF, FF and FF. 6 Fs after that. So it's very easy, and your color is a nice white. Just white. Then click OK. Your opacity was 45, so don't change it, it's okay. After that, go to drop shadow. Your drop shadow is good, and as you know, I didn't change it, so it's okay. And I don't change anything because everything is okay, and my opacity, my distance, sprite size are that I want. After, I'm going to bevel and emboss. It's the most part in my effect. So my highlight mode will change to white as it's a highlight. Then click OK. And my opacity and my shadow mode will be a dark. Why? Because my effect is a mythical effect, and I should be create mythical effects for my butterfly. I think it's good, and you can change it. Look at my butterfly, it will be changed if I change my color. And I think it's good. A dark gray for my shadow. Then click OK. And you can change your opacity as you want. But I think 80 is good for shadowing mode. And for lighting, 100 is good. Nice! You can change your soften as you want. Very good. 5 OK, and your sides. $100 is good too. You can change direction up or down, depending on your text. So, the work is almost done and I'm going to gradient overlay. We should be change our gradient because our effect is metal but my gradient is yellow. So I change it to dark and light. I double click on it and change a gray one. Okay. And I think it's good if it will be white. Or you can use your code FF. Okay. And you can change your color stop if you think it's very dark. You can choose a lighter than it. Good. Very nice. And you can change your color midpoint and you can development your lighten to create a nice one. Okay, I think it's enough, but I'm clicking OK. So it's good. Then I'm click OK. I put my 2 layers. I press Ctrl to in a group. It's before, after.